Ogun State is a state in the western Nigeria. It borders Lagos State to the south, Oyo and Osun States to the north, Ondo State to the east, and the Republic of Benin to the west. Abeokuta is the capital and largest city in the state. The state's nickname is Gateway to Nigeria. It was created in February 1976 from the former western states. The 1991 census recorded a total population of about 2,338,570 residents. Ogun State today has emerged as one of the fastest growing business destinations in Nigeria, with several local and international businesses and factories strategically sited within the 2-kilometer government acquisition area of Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. With Dangote's cement factory in Ibeshi, Nesto, DHL, Deep Fleet, Coleman Cables, and several others, Ogun State may as well be the investors' haven in the sub-region. Hi, my name is Omotala and welcome to my channel. And hey, have you watched my previous videos? If you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to join this wonderful community because I'll be posting more videos soon. You can also turn on the notification bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Also hit the like button or dislike button if you are not in a good mood. Keep watching. As always, I'll see you on the next video. Stay safe everyone. Omotala signing out. This video is for educational purposes, appropriate audiences. Therefore, it is made known for travel purposes only. Roads make a crucial contribution to economic development and bring important social benefits. In addition, providing access to employment, social, health, and education services makes a good road network crucial in fighting against poverty. Roads open up more areas and stimulate economic and social developments.